okay, that's you gotta
Don't put me.
Alright, let's try that again.
Just slowly.
Yeah, slowly. Don't
Okay.
don't pound the brake. Just kind of just toe it. Hey everybody, it's Father's Day 2024, and right now we are in what they call Russi Field. I don't really know who owns this big field, but it's a nice field. It's right across from Dumaguete Ace Hospital. I am a shareholder at that hospital. Just had to use my shareholder privileges this past weekend. Thought I had appendicitis. And as you can see, there's some slow drivers here, and this is usually, historically, where people used to go to learn how to drive cars and scooters. This is where Chichay learned, and Janice was starting to learn, and then she quit. And today, my wife, excuse the dirty car, is gonna be trying to drive a car for the first time. We've been putting this off for a little while because I wanted to increase the insurance. Now we have full coverage. She's in there taking selfies of herself. This isn't good. But learning how to drive, you gotta do it at some point. So we're gonna be driving very slowly, not as fast as this truck here. And we're gonna be trying to avoid the ruts. Yeah, and it's really cool that this is open. So if you need to learn, teach somebody how to drive a car, scooter, anything like that, this is the place to do it. Because if you crash, it's just dirt. So wish us luck. Here we go. Bum, bum, bum. Watch out for the cows. Your mouth is dry?
Yeah.
Okay. Watch out for this yellow car. It's approaching us.
Yeah.
So let's go. Let's put it into drive. Is your foot on your foot's on the brake, right? Your right foot. Don't use your left foot for anything.
Okay.
Right foot, you use everything. So your right foot's on the brake.
Yeah, my right foot is on the brake.
Is it pushing it down?
No.
Okay, push it down.
Okay.
All right, this yellow car is behind us. All right, it's going the other way. All right, now put it into drive. That's D.
There's a button over here. Should
Yeah,
I
pull the button and put it into D. Is it in D?
Yeah.
Okay. Now take your foot off the brake and we're gonna roll slowly. Ooh, that was an abrupt stop. So you see the brakes are pretty sensitive, right?
So every time I, like in the park, I put my legs on the brake every time?
Every time, yeah. Whenever you start the car, you gotta have your foot on the brake or it won't start. Whenever you go from park to drive, you have your foot on the brake. So now let go of the brake just lightly. Okay, we're gonna roll slowly forward. Don't touch the gas. Just take your foot off the brake a little bit, okay? Okay. Yeah, you're doing all right. So you see, whenever you take your foot off the brake, you don't even have to give it acceleration. You're gonna go forward because the drive is engaged. And we're going slow. That's good. I like this speed. I'm very okay with this speed.
Okay.
This is a good speed. Okay, now stop. Oh, okay.
Sorry.
So you see how sensitive these brakes are, right?
Yeah.
Sensitive, they're very brake. So we're gonna practice moving forward and stopping for a little while, so you'll get used to the brakes, okay?
Okay.
So you're still in drive.
Move a little.
Okay, put it into park. Yep. Good. Okay.
I'm gonna move it a little forward.
A little more forward.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the last. Okay.
Yeah, that's about as far as forward it's gonna go. You're a small person. All right, so again, we're gonna do the same thing. Foot on the brake, pressing the brake, put it into drive. Okay, now just let go off the brake easily. Okay, now brake. Okay, that's, you gotta.
Don't put me.
All right, let's try that again.
Just slowly.
Yeah, slowly. Don't don't pound the brake. Just kind of just toe it. Okay, go forward. Just practice braking. Okay, brake. Okay. Yeah, just, yep. Now watch out. There's this white truck coming. Okay, just forward a little bit, then brake slowly. Okay, now brake. Yeah, just get used to that. That's all we're gonna do. All right, we'll be back. We're just gonna be doing this. Move a little bit forward and brake for a while.
My throat's so dry.
Oh, don't be nervous. Everybody goes through this. Wish us luck. All right, now give it some. Now straighten up. Straighten up. You want to be straight. Now give it some gas again, and then take your foot off. Okay, give it some gas again. Gotta get used to the acceleration. So we're doing about 10 kilometers an hour now. That's about 6 miles an hour. Okay, now you turn left again. Don't give it any gas yet while you're turning. Look at you. And now I want to see a nice smooth stop right now, okay? Smooth, right now. Stop. Hey, pretty good. Pretty. The yellow car's stopping. They don't know what we're doing. Alright, we're doing alright. And in case worst comes to worst, we got the hospital right there.
We're gonna put it on park.
Yeah, put it in park. Good. Now you can take your foot off the gas. How you feeling?
A little bit better.
A little bit better? It's not that bad, right?
Yeah.
There's other than cows and a yellow car, there's not much we can hit out here. Well, that and the volleyball net over there. So we're doing good. We're just going to keep going back and forth, giving it some gas. And by the time we go, we're going to be doing what yellow car is doing over there. You see it? Okay, don't go too far forward in this seat. You don't want to be too far forward on this. And where are your hands supposed to be?
This?
10 and 2, yes, 10 and 2. Even though whenever I see drivers with 10 and 2, it makes me a little nervous. Because I do the gangster lean on the center console, and I usually got the left hand here.
Yeah, you're driving like this.
Yeah, I drive like that. That's called the gangster lean. That's how gangsters roll. So yellow car's gone. So let's go. Let's move forward again. On the brake. Make sure you're on the brake. Good. Okay. Let's go forward again, and then we're gonna turn left. Yeah, we'll turn left again. We keep turning left. You're so crooked. All right, now give it some gas. Okay, you see that, right? This vehicle has 262 horsepower. Gotta be a little careful. And unfortunately, you can see the effects of El Nino on this side of the island. It's pretty brutal. We were on the other side of the island. Okay, now turn left again. We were on the other side of the island last weekend. We drove up to Sipalay. Went through Bayawan, Basay, and Hinobaan. It was beautiful. But this side, usually this field is full, lush, grass, everything. It's a beautiful field. Everybody uses this field, so thank you whoever owns this field. Okay, let's start going around again. We'll take a left. Your hands are cold. Cold and clammy. Oh, I think my screen here is dirty. So let's put it back into drive. Foot on brake. Nope, that's not drive, that's park. Okay. And let's start going around in circles again. Alright, so hope you've all enjoyed this latest update to my Philippine dreams, because we all love social media, so be sure to like, subscribe, and do all that other stuff. Social media influencer scumbag. And make sure you get on my Patreon. We're gonna get some merch, because I really want to grift hard. Everybody's grifting, so I want to be a grifter too. Yeah, good. Give it some gas. We're just going around in circles. A beautiful fire tree over there. Acacia. It's very nice. Got the sun coming down over Mount Tolinas. And there's a guy on a bike. Don't kill him.
Trying not to.
Don't kill the bike guy. So, this is Ned.
Chichay.
Puppies, rainbows, unicorns, and driving lessons on Father's Day to all. See you next time on my Philippine dreams.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and what's the other thing?
Hit the like button.
Hit the like button. And I like when they do the thumbnails on the videos and they got this look like. Yeah. See ya. No, something wacky. Like, we're like.
What?
We're just like.